Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. Janine Medel Christie 입니다. Hello everyone, my name is Medel Christie and this time I will teach you how to make DIY stylus. This time guys, I'm speaking in English because I want my international viewers to learn something new or to learn like my co-Filipinos who are watching my videos or my contents. Yes. Sorry if my English is not so good and I commit grammar mistakes because yes, I'm a Filipino and I born here in Philippines. I didn't grow in other country. Yes. Corny. So I made this video guys because not all people have a privilege to buy new stuffs, yes, like stylus, and many people are passionate to their doings. That is why they searching a way to continue their passion although they don't have money, and this is one of the example of those ways. Because we will make a DIY stylus, we will not use money to buy new stuff. We will only use a recyclable materials to make this DIY stylus. And by making this DIY stylus, we are helping our Mother Earth because we will use recyclable materials. And I will tell you to all of you guys what are the materials that we need to make this DIY stylus. So the materials that we need to make DIY stylus are, first, unusable charger. Unusable wire like this. Next is usable ball pen. Ball pen that doesn't have ink. Yes. Much better if metallic ball pen. But it's okay if you only have a plastic ball pen like this. Then, we need water. Yes. Water. Then, cotton. Much better if you will use the cotton of your vitamin C. Unusable cotton in your vitamin C to help our Mother Earth. Reusing materials or recycling materials. Then, we need this scissors. 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 So, the first thing that we need to do is remove this to your ball pen. Yes, remove this. Then, you need to cut the wire. Yes. You need to cut the wire near to the size of your ball pen. Like this. Slowly remove the rubber by pulling it in the both sides. This is a wire guys, charan. Insert the browns from tip to the back. After that guys, you need to put the wet cotton, yes, wet cotton, inside of this. Yes, it is. Until the cotton can be seen in the tip. Then after that, close it. Close it, close it, close it. Corny. Then, close the back too. Yeah. So hard. And after that, you already have a DIY stylus. So guys, this time we will test if this DIY stylus will work or not. So this is my iPad. we will test it now. So this is the DIY stylus. So, wow! Oh. But you need to put water sometimes in the cotton buds, because like what I said, water is one of the conductor of this DIY stylus for our static electricity. This is my other DIY stylus, and we will test it again. Wow! Very nice. Nice one. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope that I've teach you a lot, or I've helped you. I want to tell you to all of you guys that even you doesn't have opportunity, or you doesn't have a privilege to buy some stuffs or art materials, you need to continue your passion. Yes, make some ways and make a solution for it. Yes. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that you learned something new, and please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and don't hesitate to comment down below if you have an opinion about this video. Bye bye.